Look at us walking. Yes, yes.
Good morning, everyone. I stayed at Akaroa for 3 days over the weekend last week. It's truly a beautiful place, so I thought I'd take everyone along. Akaroa was founded in 1840 by French settlers, and it's amazing to see how the architecture still represents that. While I was staying here, I always felt like I wanted to capture everything because I think it's look, it's us.
It's us. Hello, camera.
Do you want to tell us where we are?
We are currently in Akaroa and we are walking down to a little cafe called The Common where we look to have some food.
For breakfast. And then
For
we are
breakfast,
gonna
yes.
either watch Gilmore Girls all day or study.
Why not both?
Okay, well that's awfully.
That's like very teenagery, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. It's almost like we're teenagers. Isn't that crazy? Feels like cool people here.
It's unsurprising. Greenery paired with nice buildings, and yes.
I like that shot.
Akaroa is by the ocean side, so you'll oftentimes see lots of jet skis or boats. In fact, we actually went to the ocean and did a bit of paddleboarding, but I didn't really want to film that because I didn't want my camera to get wet. This is uncomfortable.
They're right there.
Right there, right there.
How are we doing?
Me, Curtin met them, but he's like, jump over me. Let me show you like. There's salmon bagels like us, and we just take like 50 shots of it.
You hate boats.
We could grab the like paddleboard for like we want to do that, Mom.
Take them with you on the paddleboard.
Akaroa is very local. I mean, just look at this little organic market. Even though there was nothing I wanted to eat, like the tomatoes weren't even heirloom or anything, it was just like apples and pear, but it was so nicely set up that I thought I wanted to buy something. I admit that I've added cicadas into my videos before to add background noise, but here I really didn't need to. The cicadas were popping.
Fun? This might be a nice bench actually.
After coming home, we headed out to the beach, which it was really windy today, so I don't know why we were paddleboarding today. It was still a great view and I wish I filmed a bit more, but I guess I'll have to do that next time. The original plan for today was to go up Purple Peak, however we all woke up a little too late.
We all went sweaty and stuff.
Oh yeah, what were we wearing yesterday? We have to.
I was in my shirt, and you were in the red, a nice little red cardigan. Is it a cardigan? I don't know. The red
Really?
top
Oh yeah.
with the buttons. And you had
Oh,
your
they're all
blue
like.
jean shorts.
God, I look like I haven't slept.
You look beautiful.
You wanna hold it?
Yeah.
Okay, crossing the road first.
Hi YouTube.
Hello, we're hiking today. I don't know where we're walking to.
We went to like a lighthouse, I think. Look at us walking. Yes, yes, yes. Get like a shot of the little fair if you can. The sea. You see the sea?
I do.
High tide. Wow.
Oh, it looks so nice over here.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah.
Why didn't we come to this side of the beach?
It's a longer walk.
I see.
And we're lazy.
To be honest, we could have rode over here.
Yeah. Maybe. I don't know. Our ability wasn't too spectacular, was it?
Well, no. You're quite right about that. We finally made it to the walking spot. It's been what, 20 minutes?
Short down now. Can I get a shot, please? Prepare for more walking activities, am I right? Oh wow.
That's good. We haven't actually made it to the walk. How we feel like.
Mm-mm.
No?
No. Maybe in the Akaroa Peak. He's here to eat the cicadas. Where are we?
I think we're at a cemetery. We visited 2 cemeteries. It seems like that's all that Akaroa's walked down.
There's a lot of dead people here.
There's a lot of cicadas.
Yeah, they want to make more cicadas. Yeah. Lots more cicadas.